Prayer of St. Ephrem. O Immaculate and Holy Pure Virgin Mary, Mother of God, Queen of the universe, most excellent Lady, thou art superior to all the saints, thou art the only hope of the Fathers, and the joy of the blessed. By thee we have been reconciled to our God. Thou art the only advocate of sinners, the secure haven of the shipwrecked. Thou art the consolation of the world, the redemption of captives, the joy of the sick, the comfort of the afflicted, the refuge and salvation of the whole world. O great Princess, Mother of God, cover us with the wings of thy compassion, have pity on us. We have no hope but in thee, O most pure Virgin. We are given to thee, and consecrated to thy service. We bear the name of thy servants. Do not permit Lucifer to draw us down to hell. O Immaculate Virgin, we are under thy protection. Therefore, unitedly we have recourse to thee, and supplicate thee to prevent thy Son, whom our sins have offended, from abandoning us to the power of the devil. O full of grace, illuminate my intellect, loosen my tongue that it may sing thy praises, and especially the angelic salutation, so worthy of thee. I salute thee, O peace, O joy, O salvation and consolation of the whole world. I salute thee, O greatest of miracles, paradise of delight, secure haven of those who are in danger, fountain of grace, mediatrix of God and men.